Welcome to this Level 2 workshop on original value. For original value questions, you will always be asked about what a price or an amount was before it had been changed. Imagine you walk into a shop and there is a sale. All items have been reduced by 20%. You see something you like that has a new price of £50. We can use the calculation of original value to work out what the price was before it was reduced by 20%. Top tip. These questions will always be written in past tense, so we'll ask things like, what was the price? What was the original amount? To work out original value questions, the first step is to understand what percentage the price or amount in the question is equal to. Your amount or price will be equal to a percentage either more or less than 100%. To work out if it is more or less, you look at the wording in the question. If it says words like increased by, added to a more, you add the percentage in the question to 100%. If it says words like decreased by or reduced by, discount less, you subtract the percentage in the question from 100%. A dress is in a sale for £30. It was reduced by 20%. What was the price of the dress before the sale? As the question says reduced, we first do 100% subtract 20% equals 80%. This tells us that £30 is equal to 80% of the price. Let's look at another. Jenny buys a special pack of sugar. The pack of sugar says an extra 20%. The pack of sugar weighs 600 grams. What was weight of the original pack of sugar? Here, as the question says extra, we can assume it's add, so we do 100% add 20% equals 120%. This tells us that 600 grams is equal to 120% of the amount. Now, let's look at what you do after you have found the percentage. Once you have worked out your percentage, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Amount or price divided by the percentage. It is equal to what you did in the slide before. Step 2. Multiply your answer by 100. Let me show you with this example. A dress is in a sale for £30. It was reduced by 20%. What was the price of the dress before the sale? As the question says reduced, we first do 100% subtract 20% equals 80%. This tells us that £30 is equal to 80% of the price. Now we do the method. Step 1. 30 divided by 80 equals 0.375 pounds. Step 2. 0.375 pounds multiply 100 equals £37.50. This means the dress was £37.50 before it was reduced by 20%. Let's do another example. Jenny buys a special pack of sugar. The pack of sugar says an extra 20%. The pack of sugar weighs 600 grams. What was weight of the original pack of sugar? The word extra means add to 100%. 100% add 20% equals 120%. 600g equals 120%. 600 divided by 120 is equal to 5. 5 multiplied by 100 is equal to 500 grams. The bag of sugar was originally 500 grams before it increased by 20%. Let's do some practice question. A pair of boots are now £45. They were reduced was 10% in a sale. What was the original price of the boots? Pause the recording whilst you work it out. Welcome back. As it says 10% sale, this means we take away from 100%. 100% to 10% equals 90%. Therefore £45 equals 90%. Now we can divide. £45 divided by 90 equals 50 pence. 50 pence multiplied by 100 equals £50. This means the boots were £50 before they were reduced by 10%. Let's do another example. Lauren is given a 12% pay rise. Her salary is now £24,080. What was her salary before the rise? Pause the recording whilst you work it out. Welcome back. As it says 12% rise, this means we add to 100%. 100% plus 12% equals 112%. Therefore £24,080 equals 112%. Now we divide. £24,080 divided by 112 equals £215. £215 multiplied by 100 equals £21,500. This means here salary was £21,500 before it was increased by 12%. Now try the examples on the slide by yourself. Pause the recording whilst you work them out. Welcome back. Let's look at the first one. A laptop is reduced in price by 12% in a sale. The sale price is £352. What was the laptop's price before the reduction? So here reduced means subtract, so we do 100% subtract 12% equals 88%. Now we write out amount and what percentage it is equal to, so £352 equals 88%. Now we divide. £352 divided by 88 is equal to 4. Finally multiply. For multiplied by 100 equals £400. Our answer is then, the laptop was £400 before it was reduced. Let's look at the next example. Sophia is given an 8% pay rise. Her new salary is £37,800. What was Sophia's salary before the pay rise? Here pay rise means add, so we do 100% add 8% equals 108%. Then we write the amount and what percentage it is equal to, so £37,800 equals 108%. Now we divide. £37,800 divided by 108 is equal to 350. Finally, we multiply. 350 multiplied by 100 equals £35,000. Our answer is then, Sophia's salary was £35,000 before it was increased by 8%. Use this slide to help you remember the key points for original value. They can be used to create a handy revision card for the method. Thank you for attending this Level 2 workshop on original value. Please now complete the independent worksheet given to you.